जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स। आ गए हम नई वीडियो के साथ। इसमें आपका द हिंदू, डेट है आज सितंबर 16, 2025। तो इसको हम अभी देखेंगे। 3 बॉयज किल्ड इन झारखंड ऑफिशियल्स। यूएस चीफ नेगोशिएटर टू विजिट इंडिया टुडे। मैंने पहले भी आपको बोला है कि किस तरीके से मतलब इमेज को देख के उसको एनालाइज करना। क्या कहना चाहते देखो यहाँ पे देखो आर्मी क्या है, तो क्या देखो किस तरीके से बोल। 3 बॉयज किल्ड इन झारखंड, 3 किल्ड करे झारखंड में है ना। देखो इस तरीके से वैशाली रिटेन्स टाइटल एट फाइट ग्रैंड स्विस। चेस लग रहा है मेरे को तो ये। एससी स्टे arbitrary वक्त changes but upholds act. Congress RJD are protecting inflators, PM says in Bihar. Government oppositions welcome order. Aadhaar is part of Swate can be used by voters, says SC. Center faces backlash for nixing Sikh pilgrims visit to Nankana Sahib in November. The real politic of a real hero. Okay. And Himachal CM urges Punjab. दिख नहीं रहा होगा देखो। Himachal CM urges Punjab, Haryana to show generosity towards younger brother. A year's worth crores due to BBMB, says Sukhu, speaking at the two-day National Cooperative Conference. He lauds the role of cooperative societies in strengthening the state rural economy. Cameras placed in house to snoop on us alleged Congresswomen MLAs in Rajasthan. BJP will be wiped out from UP in 2027. Achilles. Haryana farmer protect against government. Rahul inspects flood hit areas in Punjab. Congress alleges government obstruction. Congress leader calls upon state center to ensure relief and compensation reach the victims without delay. AAP government prevented him from reaching worst affected areas. Bajwa. As his deadline ends at Mac, MLA repeats call for party unity. Snag holds Mumbai monorail, yet again passengers stranded. NDA open parties tussle for seats as Bihar poll draws near. After Marathas, Banjaras hold rallies for ST status, agitations to intensify if demand not met. Nurse Madras Way, Haryana, Common Modern Education push. More report of attack on W Bengal migrants. 3 missing after heavy rain lashes Hyderabad overnight. Downpour leaves a trail of destruction. Family members join NDRF teams as search on for those washed away in flood waters. Rescue personnel combining through nearby storm drains. Kerala MLA ends political exile, extends assembly. Heavy rain alert for 9 districts in Telangana. BRSR MLAs file their responses to explanation by defected legislators. Suresh Gopi faces backlash over dismissive response to petition by senior citizen. This image are very beautiful. Women are playing cricket. Girls are playing cricket. Sorry. Pangi Korna Kumari plays the ball with balls during a practice session at her school in Visakhapatnam on Monday. The 15-year-old with visual disability has earned a place in the Indian squad for the first ever Women T20 World Cup for visually challenged. Enumerators fan out across Karnataka as survey of sexual minorities gets underway. SC acquits ex-minister in harassment case by officer. and unlocking innovations with the India's procurement reformers. The economic ambitions need better gender data, field and fraternity sports in a political, but it must not be the stage for a theater of conflict. At courts, taught to mental health as right, strengthening Kerala's secular legacy, rising obesity, children's exposure to ultra processed foods. Data show greater availability and widespread promotion of healthy foods and beverages. Colonial rule ends in Papua New Guinea. SC on anticipatory bail in caste crime. Supreme Court cancels anticipatory bail granted to case crime accused, upholding Sector 18 of the SC/ST Act. The ruling reinforces protection for Dalit victims, bars pre-trial relief, and warns courts against conducting a mini trial at the bail stage. What is involutions, that is plunging Chinese EV sector? How is China tackling innovation, involutions, and price wars in its electric vehicle sector? The conducts of social media companies amid political unrest. Companies stay largely passive during such unrest. Their contents to deploy technological workarounds or challenge government orders show the tension between profit motives and digital rights. Know your English. On the anniversary of Mahasha Amini's death, test your knowledge of her case, the protest it sparked, and the history of Iran hijab laws. Prepare for any eventuality, PM tells Defense Minister. Modi inaugurates combined commanders conference that will focus on transformative reforms across the armed forces. He lauds them for their role in Operation Sindoor and national building. Three Maoists with 1.35 crore bounty killed in Jharkhand. SC stays arbitrary Waqf changes but upholds Act. Congress and RJT are correcting inflators. NS2 won't reopen till pact is reached with mighty people Kuki-Zoo Council. AD submits charge sheet against son of Bagal. And other part of statute can be used by voter SC. Supreme Court expresses concerns over non-functions CCTVs at police station. SC dismiss plea to extend push act when politics. Sorry. SC judgment backs legislative actions to get rid of Waqf by user. Opposition welcomes SC order on Act, says it vindicates their stand. Muslim bodies call decisions on new Waqf law victory of the spirit of the constitution. SC order on Waqf Act is good sign for democracy, says Kiran Rijiju. Animal accusations as per law, sit formed by top court given clean chit to Vantara. Muslim bodies call decisions on new, and it is a complete. SC order on Waqf acts in good sign for democracy, says Kiran Rijiju. China's rise as potential superpower changing complexion of ties. India needs more nuanced policies. Nuanced policies, says Tirumutri. Kashmir fruit market shut down over highway closure. Parcel train service launched to take apples from Delhi to New Delhi. However, fruits growers say it in India adequate as huge stock remain stranded and on roads. CM blames center for delay in road work. India get license to score Indian Ocean for precious metals. US chief negotiator Indian counterpart to talk trade today. AI led efficiencies can contribute contribute to 8% GDP growth target. WPI inflations in August at 4-month high of 0.52%, sixth tranche of equation for critical strategic minerals of kick off today. And Jerusalem, Beijing, Peshawar, Yangon. Trump to arrive in the UK as a Starmer's leadership tested. Nepal PM expands cabinet with three new ministers. Order probe into violence. India is keen to preserve its ties with US but not at any cost. As a rising power, India need to be proactive. It has been second to none contributing to the global commons such as vaccine, Maitri during COVID 19, or in combating climate change. However, the world expects India to play a bigger role in conflicts and geopolitics. We need to get our geopolitics right, says the former ambassador and permanent representative of India to the United Nations. Kuldeep continues to bamboozle Pakistan batters with his mastery. The left arm wrist spinner has been India's best bowler on view so far in the continental showpiece. 30-year-old has made a big statement on his return to the nation, scored in the shortest format after a gap of more than a year. PCB demands match referee Pycroft's removal following handshake rule. Rath Nezakat combined to shat 150-run target. Center completes formalities. Vishali retains Grand Swiss title, qualifies for candidates. Sitting pretty, home and dry, in and out, close contest. The left arm wrist spinner has been India's best bowler on view so far in the continental showpiece. The 30-year-old has made a big statement on his return to the nation, scored in the shortest format after a gap of more than a year. Duplantis soars into immortality. Swedish phenom vaults to new world record of 6.30 m. Miss Pips Yell Bakali by Northwest margin. Simbu wins men's marathon. Things would have been different had we taken catches. Harleen. A lot at stake for the players as India locks horns with Australia. Wagan takes on Ahal in Asia too. Sujit Vicky keep medal hopes alive. Cortia Madria Obliquis in the future event. Thanks. The end of newspaper.